I'm going to answer right off the bat. Fade it. Now, here comes the hate tweets, because if you ever say anything bad about, God forbid.
What's your email?
But it's on the website, on the CNBC website. Oh, come on. But, Apple wrote a letter to Mr. Lighthizer saying, you know what, these tariffs are not good for us. And now they're talking about maybe moving 15 to 30% of their production out of China. I don't think the market's taking seriously enough the potential ramifications for this U.S.-China trade deal or non-deal on the back of Apple. So at 198 or so, I would say fade it here, Scott.
I'm going to trade it. And again, this is a company that's had a lot of pressure for trade war dynamics, for tariff dynamics, for flat rolled prices. They gave a second quarter guide on EBITDA, which wasn't terribly good. What do you think's in the price in this company? The biggest issue for this company is their balance sheet, and in terms of how aggressive they're going to be on CapEx. If they can show some moderation there, I actually think the stock can do fine in an environment where everything we've just said is manufacturing's not in a great place. Everybody knows that. This stock knows that.
I'm going to stick with it and fade it. And it's not so much that I don't like Deere. In fact, I think there's probably a chance to buy this on a dip. But look at the run this thing has had. I mean, it has just been like a scalded dog taking off here. That's not something that BK wants to buy at the highs. BK wants to sell it. Therefore, you fade it.
I think you trade this one, and let me tell you why. Okay, this stock last year was trading about $200. It got cut in half when there was serious worries about Asia slowing, about Chinese economy slowing here. So the stock was up. What? It was trading almost $150 just about 6 months ago or something like that. It went all the way back down to 100. I think it's finding a low floor here. When they reported in early May, Macau revenues were down 15%. Bob Pisani already told us about 2/3 of their sales come from Macau. I think Macau's trying to find a little bit of a bottom here. I think Chinese equities in general have acted okay. I think they're getting some support here. And I think this is a way that U.S. investors might try to play some sort of reflation trade in China.